There are lots of signs in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your heads, my brothers, feel conscious, my sisters. In my young position, surely be safe. I never tried to see my own behind there. One who's got the title, one who's ideal in sorrow. I leave you. One who's got the title, you'll be someone that he don't know. Hey, say a prayer and chant the psalms. Pray when they drink the evil calm. You don't have to go to church and be a Christian to follow Rastafari. Shout out the name Jehovah in the valley. Shout out Jehovah on the hill. Shout out Jehovah on the plain. Oh, we're in a big way. Next strong. Next strong. La 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 la. Come for chant to sing this one, but it's all about the Babylon, frustrating the youth with their fun plans, putting destiny into their hands. Sometimes I sit and wonder, Lord, I ponder, can't take the hands of Babylon no longer. So much Egyptian I go wonder, Lord, what next must we expect? Will the cassette rewind or will it just Babylon, you take a step, building a nest to pass on the use of all the industries. So if you know what I do, you can rock up the door. I know what the time Babylon stop. Chicken and rabbit the poor, we cannot take it no more. This is starting a wild revolution. Is there a true fast for this? Why Babylon, why so much tricks? You got to learn and still thinking on our own while you're living on our own. We might as well Babylon. Ease up. I'm coming something tougher. Yeah. Nice and easy. Away. Away. Listen. Just left my baby girl, they said I won't be coming home, rather be alone. She doesn't fully understand me, 'cause I'm around to leave and to change. But if she give me some time, I could be the man she needs. And there are a lot of lust inside of me. And we've been together since our teenage years. I really don't mean to burn and all I need some time to be alone. But we need to love someone. Pull up our comments up fresh. He's the selector. That we should be together, and it's unbelievable how I used to say I'm coming. This is need to know, if you don't know just how I feel, then let me show you now that I'm for real. If all things in times I will reveal, yeah, oh wow, that I could be control to this one will be girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me, and the part that we plus 1, 2, 3 to make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I'll start back at one. trust themselves out. And it's all emotional once you know what it's all about. Hey, it's undeniable for us to be apart. Would have never made it very far. 'Cause it's all you got, the keys to my heart. And the one you're like a dream come. Jesus! Coming something fresh, I'm getting paid on the last. Yeah. Oh, I lift up my hands to the Father, 'cause you made me strong. You put the food on my table. Yes, and in my heart is honor. Oh, child, oh, my teacher, I need you so. So sing aloud. Praise His word, highest word, night and day, hallelujah. Hey, 'cause I'm singing and I'm chanting in the spirit. He them hear it and I know them not love it. But let them know that I'm one of your prophet. And I won't stop spreading His name and His love. Well, amazing grace will always be my song of praise. For it was grace that bought my liberty. And I never know just why Christ came to love me so. He looked beyond my faults and saw my need. Oh, and I shall forever lift mine eyes to Calvary. To view the cross where Jesus died for me. Oh, how marvelous the grace that caused my falling soul. He looked beyond my faults and saw my need. Eat something. I'm coming something fresh on you. Way back. Listen. Since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Since you've been away, I've been dreaming of you. Trying to understand the reason you left me. But what were you going through? Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns me. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I've been missing you. Tell me why the road. Listen. Here I am. This thing with those memories again. It just when I thought time had set me free. Those thoughts of you keep haunting me, haunting you. A feeling I never once knew. Though each and every part of me had tried. Only you can fill that space inside. But there's no sense pretending my heart is not. It's just over you. Oh, it's just sweet. I'll come again, can you don't know? Yeah. Sometimes I wonder how the look in your eye when you're standing beside me. There's a fever burning deep inside. But is there another in your memory? And do you think of that someone when you hear that special melody? Just fade away like yesterday. Lord, won't leave me alone. Everywhere I go, always by my side. Lonely won't let me fall in love. You know I try to say I love you. The words will come true in my eyes. I see all the tears inside memories. Waiting for the sound of you. And you feel the feelings too are behind. I see all the tears in this agony. Around these winter blows, I'm thinking back in time. And there will be that rainbow singing. It's only the lonely begin. Lonely won't leave me alone. Oh, a little bit more. Every day, and she loved me the same. Every night the bus around the street and say she's sweet. Oh my baby, can I throw some flowers at your feet? She's young, I like the way she's young. Pull up. I'm calling something tough. Come play a game on me so long. Try to do I never find trying to convince me to give in. I'd never find anyone that is trying to convince me to give in, but you baby. Yeah. One day the sun came shining through. The rain is on and the skies are blue. Again and come on back up. Trust me. John, I love the vibe. Come again. Love playing the game on me so long. Started to believe I'd never find anyone. I was trying to convince me to give in, don't you give in. Yeah. And one day the sun came shining through. In the rain the sun. And what a revelation. I'm coming something fresh. For real. Feeling down some more I thought about you. The years of tears and lots of things we used to do. Never even wanted you like a starry day. But I miss the way you ran your fingers through my hair. Those crazy nights we cuddled in your easy chair. Oh no, I won't let time turn you away. I'll take you back whatever price I pay. It's so nice to feel you. And it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcomes you back home again. Oh yeah. Remember those romantic walks we used to take. You held my hand in such a way my knees would shake. You can't imagine special again. Here we go. Talk to you, but it's not the same. Yes, I'm missing you. I talk to you, but it's not the same. My baby and the touching you. Every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. Oh, yeah. And we've been together, and it won't be, and it seems like forever, baby. And it's hard on my own, and the Jackson feel like I'm missing you now. And it's driving me crazy for me, my baby. Pull up! I'll come again. Well, I talk to you, but it's not the same. My baby has a touching you. Oh, every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to your oh, yeah. We've been together. And you don't want me, but it seems like baby, and it's hard on my own, and the Jacksonville I'm yeah, and it's I'm missing you now. Come on, I can't wait till I'm alone with you. Oh, na 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 na, yeah. I'm committed to this girl, I'm in love. Na 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 na, yeah. Oh, for you I give a lifetime of stability, and anything you wanna be. Nothing is yeah, yeah. La, la, oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, na, 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 ooh, na, na, yeah. I'm committed to this girl, I'm in love. Na, 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 yeah. Oh, for you I give a lifetime of stability, and anything you want of me. Nothing is impossible on you. There are no words or ways to show my love for all the thoughts I'm thinking of. But this life is no good alone. Since we begun, you're all I know. Everything I do now makes sense. It's all wrong, and all I do is for you. Yeah. I stop sending flowers to your apartment. You say you're not around much anymore. Yeah, I stopped dropping by without an appointment, baby. Cause I heard that to coming through your doors. And now Before you close your eyes to sleep, well, I made a vow that I would jump by you sometime, but that's a promise I can keep. 'Cause I love you too much to ever stop liking you. I love you too, Jackson, baby. Pull up! I'll come one more time with the rhythm playing down there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, listen. Your lips and mine are soft as dew. Your kiss is so divine. Your eyes are like the skies that blue, and the stars that brightly shine. Your voice is sweet like violin, and the warm like summer day. And I love you, I love you, I love you. No, so many. Oh, back in the song, trouble. Jano, miss you over today. La la la. Yeah, 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 yeah. Watch it. The whole town's talking about her. This beautiful girl from Kentucky. She's got a property that I truly admire. She smiles when I call her Miss Scotty. She hears it everywhere that she goes. Where in the world did she get it? Don't ask me, I don't know. Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Why not actually no why not? Day after day, I must face the world of strangers, and I don't belong, and I know that's wrong, but it's nice to know there is someone I can turn to, who is always there, and always care, when there's nice. I'm gonna take you to the studio tomorrow. Trust me, we voice this one. Yeah. Day after day, I must face the world of strangers, where I don't belong, and I know that's wrong. But it's nice to know there is someone I can turn to, who is always there, and always care, when there's no getting over that rainbow, when the smallest of dreams won't come true. I give the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Pull up the Gemini. Hold on. It's before I leave tonight, trust me. I'd like to do this one. Yeah. Hold on. People say, goes like this. Eternal Father, bless the Lamb. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Through our lives with countless stars. Through all leaders, great defenders, grant true wisdom from above. Just this truth be ours forever. Jamaica, Jacksonville! Wanna celebrate you one more Sanchez? Wanna celebrate you more Sanchez? Sanchez, I'm saying one more, my brethren. One more! You want more? Yeah! Listen, one more! Sanchez! Sanchez! Brethren, my lord. Jacksonville! Yo, Mikey, man, just beat up this thing. Watch this. Sanchez, yeah, nice. The very first time that I saw you alive, the very first time that I saw you around, you looked at me and I said hi. I knew my bed was the one, but I was caught up in a physical attraction. Capture my satisfaction, baby, you're more than just a friend. And ease of mine. Yeah, love the vibes, just me. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Alright, I'll touch up some song boy right now. So me I say, hey, hey, wait for war, make it start it. Cause I'm justice not to yes. Alright. Take it on. Low. The old town looks the same as I step down from the train. And there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road and there runs a Mary, hair gold and lips like cherry, and it's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Oh yes, they all come to meet me on weekends, smiling sweetly, yeah, it's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Hey, and I'm pregnant, I tell me so, they will not find anything on me. Give it up to Sanchez, Jacksonville! Yeah, man, so that's kind of Reggae Central 2 anniversary. Listen what I'm going on, my brethren.